everyone, welcome back to our channel Mini Mind Sanvika H. Today I'm going to show you, like, after submitting the application for Worldwide Book of Records, what is the next procedure. So once you submitted your details of your kid and what talent she have in very descriptive way in the application, you will be able to receive an email like this saying thanks for getting in touch, we have received your application. Once this mail has come, after few days you will be able to see one more email saying your application is accepted or not. They will send you an email like this: application has been accepted and this is your application ID. Save this application ID, this is the main identity. Then after that they will also give you the title in which category it is going to be set a record. Then they will request you to send an evidence. Once the application is accepted, then they will request you to send the evidence, like what are all the video evidences and also the photos of the materials which you have used while attempting the record, valid identity proof, cover letter and witness letter. I'll tell you what is cover letter and witness letter, and then the WBR team will revert between the 3 to 7 working days, right? So the main part of the application comes here, like how you are going to capture your video evidence and how you are going to present yourself in front of a Worldwide Book of Records team. So that plays a major role here. For example, as I have already uploaded in the series, like how my kid has identified the flashcards, right? That I have made a separate video giving name, like if it is an animal video, then I have named it as animals, and category wise I have made it as a separate video. Then I have made it as a dry link and share it to them. So that is how we are supposed to share our evidences. It should be very clear to the team that what is the talent, right? If you have not watched those videos, I will share the link in the description and you can go and watch in my playlist as well. So we'll see how I have recorded the videos. That is already mentioned in the playlist. You can go and refer. Coming to the all photos of the material whatever used, how you are going to show this one. So what I did is I got an idea, like why can't we do it like this. I created a Word document and I have mentioned like 6 months old baby Sanvika, born on 21st October. As identified 7 different categories as shown, and I have clearly mentioned what are the flashcards she has identified, like this. So this clearly shows them how nicely how nicely the kid has identified all this. So after submitting all this, I again I was able to see 2 forms in the attached email. One is cover letter. As I told you in the earlier video, there is a WhatsApp number, right? If you have any doubt, you can ping them, they will reply back, and there is a timings, you can check with them. I think from 9 a.m. to till 9 p.m. only that will be working. And also if you have any doubt, if in case you are not getting any response in the chat, you can directly call to that number. So in the cover letter you need to mention the application number, record title, and then record title is whatever they have mentioned in the application accepted email, right? Fastest to identify 60 flashcards, that one. And then your attempt results, then current official record and record claim details and other details. This is the witness form. If you have any doubt while filling this also, you can ping them, they will help you. So after this I have shared them. So I have uploaded everything in the pro. Please let me know. See, like this I have made a separate video, and we are supposed to send parents Aadhaar card details as well, and I'll show you in the cover letter what and all I have filled. 1 second, it's loading. See, like this you can fill. Your attempt results is whatever your kid is having talent, application number is whatever they have mentioned in the email, title is also, then current official record you can mention no, then the baby details and the date of attempt, your location, and all these details you can give on whatever the evidences you have shared, videos and photos. Then we can see cover letter also, that is cover letter, right? Witness form is also same. Witness form is also same way only. If you have any doubts, you can ping to the team and get it done. And also we need to share them 3 photos, and the photo clarity should be very clear, birth certificate and the parents Aadhaar card. Okay. After this, after validating all the evidences, if it is very genuine and no one are helping the kid and it is a real talent of the kid, then we will receive an email saying congratulations, we are extremely happy to inform you that your application has been successful and you are now the record holder, title holder. Then after this, you need to submit record. Applicant has to pay the official processing fee. Please be very clear with this. It is we are not going to pay it for adding our kid to the worldwide book of records. It is a processing fee. And since the solo category has been given, the fees details will be like this. If it's a kind of registration fee, and if it is a group or mass, then the charges might be differ. For normal service, where we will get only one certificate, medal and ID card and sticker, and as well as the website publishing, that we need to pay this many charges. And for the fast service, we can pay 8,850 including the GST. So after paying within 12 days, or depending on the type of service you have chosen, we will get the kit. I'll also show you what and all are included in the worldwide book of records kit and how it was clearly in the next video. So if you tell someone like you have paid, then people will think like, oh, okay, they have paid for it. No, it is not the payment for the talent, it is the payment for registration process. Okay, so that's all guys.